My name is Eric Crawford. I'm a board member for Kentuckians for Medicinal Marijuana. You want me to start?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and members of this committee, for allowing me this opportunity to speak about House Bill 136. Once again, my name is Eric Crawford. In 1994, I was a passenger in an automobile accident that left me a quadriplegic. I also suffer with autoimmune issue called optical uveitis, which can ultimately lead to my blindness. I'm a lifelong resident of Mason County. I was born, raised, and live in Orangeburg, Kentucky. I love Kentucky. I am Kentucky. I'm viewed as a criminal in the state I love. I choose to use cannabis as medicine instead of addictive opioids and other dangerous pharmaceuticals for my constant pain and ungodly muscle spasms. Narcotics make me out of my mind, they make me high and unable to function at all. I've not had an opioid in 5 years. Cannabis works better for me than what doctors have to offer. Cannabis allows me to get out of bed and make the most of my life. I opt to use cannabis for my complicated vision issues. It has prevented a 2013 scheduled surgery to place stents in my eyes and allowed me to come off all the horrendous autoimmune drugs that were destroying my liver and making me sicker. Cannabis is a self-preservation tool for the longevity of my life. All of my well-respected Kentucky physicians recommend and totally support my use of cannabis to treat my many ailments. But again, I am a criminal in this Kentucky, the commonwealth, that I love. If House Bill 136, medical cannabis, were to pass and become law in Kentucky, I would not be a criminal. I would not have to live in fear. I would not have to lay awake at night worrying about the law enforcement coming into my home. I would not have to stress out about going to jail or losing my home, farm, and freedom. My poor wife and mother could relax too. Living afraid is not conducive to good health. If House Bill 136 became law, I would have safe access to legal cannabis. I could be a more productive member of society. It would eliminate the uneasiness I live with in regards to breaking the law. Please know I'm not the only sick person in Kentucky that is in this predicament. There are thousands of other sick people in our state that use cannabis medicinally that are considered lawbreakers, and other thousands that just want the safe choice so they won't be a lawbreaker. Do you honestly believe we're all criminals? There's a 24.8% reduction in overdose deaths in states with legal medical cannabis. One person dies every 19 minutes from an FDA-approved drug. Not one death has ever been attributed to cannabis. What would you do if you had a lifelong illness and cannabis helped you and you knew it? Would you move to other 33 states that allow patients the option to legally use medical cannabis? Would you illegally obtain medical cannabis and pray to God you don't get in trouble for it and be a criminal for the rest of your life? I'm here today to ask this committee to stand up and do the right thing. It's your moral duty to help those less fortunate than you. It's your job to enact laws for the betterment of all Kentuckians. I am asking this committee to vote yes today on House Bill 136. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and the members of this committee for allowing me to give my views on the story of my life.